So these are the tables we'll creating. And one more thing is, okay, yes table. So let me keep it in one, okay. And finally, yes table. And finally, T table. T table and M view. M view. So this is only view. This is not a table. That is the reason I mentioned. And this is equal to, this is combination of two tables, P and Q table. P and Q table. This is combination of M view means P and T view. Okay, these two combinations. Okay, P table is time dependent, time independent, time independent table, time independent table. Okay, I will tell you what is time independent table, what is time dependent table. So same thing is, this is time, time dependent table, time dependent table Q. And this is time independent table, SID table, SID table. Dependent SID table. These are hierarchy tables. Hierarchy tables. Four are hierarchy tables. Hierarchy table. This is SID table. This is text table. Okay, and now this is combination of P and Q, right? So when you load attributes, what we are saying it, we have example first underscore 12. So we created this info object and we loaded attributes. We loaded attributes and text. Attributes and text. So this is storing into the P table. The naming convention of P table /BAC, the naming convention. Whenever create custom info object, the naming convention will be getCust underscore 12. See, /BAC is a common and P table. Here /BAC T getCust underscore 12. So like this would be there. For everything, for all the tables, /BAC means common. For example, if it is a ready-made object means zero customer, right? Zero customer, right? What is the naming convention for these all tables? These are all tables. Okay, these are all tables. The naming convention for these tables like this. Just remove P table and keep H, I, J, K, S, anything you can keep it. Okay, only replacing P. Your original info object name is this ZCust. You can see ZCust last. This is the naming convention for info object. Naming convention. Sometimes they will ask in the interview. Okay. For attributes and text, you can see. Sometimes key table also would be there. Same thing. If you maintain, okay, Q. Okay, like this. So I will show you now. I want to load the data from S4HANA to BW4HANA for customer same only. But I'm not loading to this customer. I'm loading to zero customer. This is SAP object. SAP object. SAP only created this object. We just reusing it. Okay. How we will do it and how we will see, depending Q table will be there or P table are there. We will see. Okay. And then these are all hierarchy tables will fill. Okay. Same naming convention. Just remove P, Q, T and you can keep H, I, J, T, M view. This is not a table. This is just view. It will not store data physically. And you can see these are all tables. These are all storing data physically. That is the way BW4 HANA given best option. Advantage is like I can create any object, for example, ADSO, complete provider, open ODS view, open ODS view, open ODS view. Anything I can create based on the fields and info objects. Okay. So when I create object based on the fields, it will not create background tables. These tables will not create it. When I create ADSO based on the info object, these many tables create. Assume like one ADSO having 15 characteristic info objects. See, you can see how many tables will create 15 into 10 tables. How many tables it will create? 150 tables will be there, physically storing the data. Same DSO, I will do it 15 fields, not info objects. No table will be creating in the backend. No burden on database level. Assume like this, okay? Fields, we can create ADSO based on the fields. I can create ADSO based on the info objects as well. Based on the info objects as well. And also you can mix up both as well. You can mix up both as well. In the real time we will mix, and sometimes we will create only based on fields, sometimes we will create only based on info objects. We'll see in the earlier classes. Okay, now I will start how we will load data from. We are loading the master data. We are loading master data from S4 HANA to S4 HANA to BW4 HANA. Okay, just remember this concept. For what we are loading, zero material we will load it. Zero material info object. This is info object. Okay, remember it. SAP info object. The data source is like now. I am writing here. I am not going to create it. Just we need to utilize it. So this is for attributes. Attributes. This is for text. Okay. These two are attributes and text. Already ready-made objects. I'm not going to do it anything. So what I will do, go here and let me close everything. Don't confuse. Let me close everything. If you have any doubts how to load data from flat file to S4HANA, just tell me. Okay. And tomorrow also you can ask me, no problem. So now what we need to do, this is my data flow. This is my info area. I'm trying to create one more data flow. Okay. I am trying to create one data flow. Okay. Just remember it. Z data flow underscore material master data. I will maintain it like this. Okay. Material master data. I'm keeping everything into one place. Okay. I'm maintaining material master data here. Okay. In this data flow. So first action is we need data source. Just drag and drop. Okay, just drag and drop. Right click, and now earlier we created the data source. Now it is available, right? I'm not going to create it. Add object. Zero material and ATTR. Just search it. Okay, I'm not able to get it. Why? Because might be it is not activated. Might be I have not given proper name. So when I give proper name, I can able to get it. Okay. So what we given in the Excel sheet, I given zero material attribute I given zero material text. So when you enter the right name, I can get it. So now you can see here, earlier I can see flat file data source. Now it is coming from SAP S4HANA. Now I'm using it in object, drag and drop in objects. Okay. So system not going to understand it. So that is the reason it is taking many. Okay. Let me add so that it will go all up. So now I'm going to add object. Don't confuse it. I'm going to add zero material. See, like this. So if you type mistake, sometimes if you type mistake, you will not get it. Many thing will come. If you give, okay, I give material. See, like this I typed it. So you need to see the, okay, typo mistake. That and all you need to correct it. Okay. See, I don't get it because typo error. So double click. Material matrices, all will go away. So this is hierarchy, this is material attributes, this is text. You can see symbol itself, text, attributes and hierarchies. Okay. Now what I need to do, I need to load the attributes. What is my data source here? So now there is a option, okay, there is a option. This is like, no, what is this? Auto layout. When I click on this auto layout, automatically it will become like this. Okay, just drag and drop here, drag and drop. Okay, so I will do it like this. Okay, I selected and do auto layout. Okay, if you want to do it like this also, you can select this like this option. You can minimize it. Okay, and you can drill down this option as well if you want to see. If you want to minimize it, you can minimize it. You can minimize it. And right click this transformation and see, this is the ready-made objects we are using it. Click on it. No need to do anything. See here, data source is zero material attribute. This is zero material. Go to rules. See, in the real time, many objects are there and automatically it is mapped it. No need to do any mapping manually. Sometimes only. So length is not mapped it because might be here we don't have length that field. So based on the system, based on the requirement, automatically it will select it. And also you need to see which object it is not mapped. That is you required or not, that you need to identify it. Okay, in the real time. How many fields are there? You can see here. How many fields are there? Like this. Okay, just activate it. So I'm not going to do it anything. Just activate it. So if you want to know this field is mapped to which field, uh, select. See, it will highlight. Select, it will highlight. Select, it will highlight. In the real time, like this, you need to identify. So we are practicing purpose taking only 4 and 5. In the real time, it will be 200, 300 fields, 150 fields. But don't worry. If you know technical and easily you can identify it. Double click and you will come to know how it is mapped it. How it is mapped it. Close this one. And if you select this one, the mapping you can see it. You can select this one, you can see map as well. Right click, rule type. Show rule. You can see the rule here like this. Rule means this is target field and this is source field. This is field size. This is info object. It is mapped to this one. Understand it. This is char 18. This is char 18. Okay. This is mapped it. In the real time in the interview, they will ask you. many entries like these options. What is direct assignment? Whatever it is connected, this is directly assigning. Whatever we have data in the source, it will transfer to this field. Formula, lookup, constant. If we have any formulas, we can maintain it. If we have any lookup, we can maintain it. If we have any ABAP code, then we will write code. If we have any constant, we can. If we don't want to update anything, then we will select. The data will not move from here to here. We already activated it because that is the reason it is in active stat. Okay. Very simple. Okay. Right click and I'm going to do it activation. Okay. Insert additional DTP only. Insert additional DTP and create new one. Okay. I will select insert the additional DTP only. Okay. Activate it.
In real time also, we need to select the first option, brother.
Anything you can select it. Anything you can select it as per your wish. So we need one option. Okay. And then you can see already somebody created first one. Okay, you don't want that one, then you can see, I don't want that one. Create new one. Okay, I'm creating it. See, second option I will select. Somebody created already DTP for this zero metal, somebody loaded as well. So I'm selecting new one and you can create new one. So now it is asking DTP, create new DTP. Now, which one we are going to do it? First one or second one? Already somebody created. I don't want that one. I'm following this one. First one. I want that one. Okay. Now, if you want to do fuller update delta, okay, I'll keep delta only, expression and activate it. So I don't have any filters as well. Activate it. Okay, so it is asking me like, no, we have two DTPs, two delta DTPs. That is the reason it is asking me. Okay, keep delta. Okay, already somebody using it. So we cannot create more than two, more than one delta DTPs. We can create multiple full DTPs. We cannot create more than one delta DTP. You can see delta and DTP. We will see while we are discussing about transactional data, I will explain you full and detail. And click here and execute in backend. And now I will go to this system. I'll open SAP GI. I'll go to here RSMNG. RSMNG. So our object is not ADSO. Our object is characteristic. Okay. I selected zero material and execute it. See, now it is failed it. What is the timestamp? Today date. Why it is failed? Select this one and we need to find the reason why it is failed. Okay, just click okay like this and see how many records coming. So we need to expand this updating attributes, expand this, then only we'll come to know why it is failed. Okay, see here. What it is saying, you can see by seeing only you will come to know messages for one data record saved requested. So just click on this log. So when you are working in office or something, if you are facing any issue, just tell. Here you can see material. Here you can see one. After that you have a space. So space will create like a special char hash value. So it won't allow. So one of the material having space value due to this reason, due to this special care, it is not, data is not loading successfully. Okay. For this, we need to do error handling. How we will do it? First, I will take this DTP name, technical name. I'll copy this. I'll go to rsdtp slash o rsdtp. I'll go to rsdtp. I'll keep, I'll execute it. I'll execute it. I'll go to here. See, go to change mode. So whenever you are loading master data, we need to select this option, because multiple times we are going to load master data. By default, master data will have overwrite. Sometimes there is a chance we'll get duplicates. Not sometimes, every time we'll get chance like duplicate records. We need to select this option. Whenever we get any duplicate record, it will overwrite automatically. It will handle this checkbox. And also you can see error handling option in the DTP level. In the interview also they will ask you in the DTP level how many tabs are there. Three tabs: extraction tab, update and execute. If you go to update tab, you can see error handling. This is our target geometry we are loading. You can see many options. First option, cancel request, do not track record. No update. It will not update the data, and the data load will be cancelled, and do not track record. Why? It is fail, so it will not get it. So I'm selecting fourth option, fourth option, because of request green, write error stack and valid update records. So finally the data load will be green. If you have any error records, it will go sit into the error stack. We have a error stack here. You can see this is the error stack. This is kind of PSA. It will have, it is like kind of database. All error records, we having 2500 records. If we have any 10 or 20 error records, it will go and sit into this here error stack. All valid records will update to the our target. Update valid records to the zero material. All valid records will update to the zero material, and error records will update into this error stack. Later, I will create error DTP and I will push them. We'll see. Now I will activate it. I will activate it and I will load. Okay. Once again, I will load. So while I'm loading itself, last time we loaded, the data is failed. Data request is failed. So it is asking to delete that old request. See, previous request has status red. So it is asking to delete it. So yes, if you want to delete or if you don't want to delete, must be delete. Okay, I'm asking to delete it. Delete previous request. You can see here pop-up as will delete previous request. Last data load, last data load failed it. Okay, click OK. And now execute it. Why? Many requests are there. Now it is see, you can see here generated processor display, and you can see again it is fail. Why it is fail? Will monitor it. See, like this. This is the T code RSDTP level. We'll see. Again, why it is fail? You can see it. Too many error records. Too many error. You can click on this one. It will give the too many error records update. Here you can see too many error records. Roll back. Okay. You can see terminated. You can see like these many records are available in the error stack. In the error stack. Okay. These many records are there. Every record having like no, like this. Okay. Here you can see terminated. So how we will resolve this issue? Total we having 2737, and here error records having 101. 101. 101 records. Okay. And now how we will do it? Just go here, header, and you can click on it. Mhm. We need to inform to the business in the real time. They will correct it in the real time. They will correct it in the source system itself, or else what we have it. Okay, just click on this error tag, allow. It is taking time. Let's see. Okay, we'll see. Okay, ఈ డేటా లోడ్ వచ్చినప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూద్దాం. ఎన్ని వచ్చాయి, ఎన్ని డేటా లోడ్ చేశారు. సో మొత్తం ఎన్ని రిక్వెస్ట్లు ఉన్నాయి? టోటల్ 4 రిక్వెస్ట్ ఉన్నాయి. ఓన్లీ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ వన్ రికార్డ్, ఓన్లీ డిస్ప్లేయింగ్ వన్ డేటా సిస్టమ్. We'll see total request. We'll see how many. I want to see all requests earlier as well. They loaded it. Time view. What we will do? Okay. Sub request. They loaded all right. మనం ఏం లేదు, ఇక్కడ ఏవైతే వచ్చాయో ఎర్రర్ రికార్డ్స్, ఏవైతే ఎర్రర్ రికార్డ్స్ వచ్చాయో అవి ఫిల్టర్ పెట్టాలి. ఏవైతే వచ్చాయో ఓకే, మీకు వచ్చాయి కదా రికార్డ్స్, అవన్నీ ఫిల్టర్ పెట్టాలి. ఎలా ఫిల్టర్ పెట్టాలి? సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసి క్లోజ్ దెమ్. సో ఇక్కడ వచ్చాయి కదా, ఇదంతా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోవాలి. ఎర్రర్ స్టాక్ వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్ దిస్. ఇది ఓపెన్ అవ్వలేదు. ఓకే, ఇది ఫైన్, ఏదో వదిలేసాయి. ఇక్కడ వచ్చాయి కదా రికార్డ్స్, ఇవన్నీ మీరు ఏం చేయాలి? ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ చేయాలి. ఇవన్నీ ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ చేయాలి. ఈ రికార్డులన్నీ ఎక్స్క్లూడ్ చేస్తే ఇవి రావు. వన్ ఆప్షన్. మనం బిజినెస్ చెప్పాలి. బిజినెస్ చెప్పి మనం క్లియర్ చేయాలి. వాళ్ళు వచ్చేసి ఇట్లా స్పేస్ రాకుండా చూసుకుంటారు. వెన్ ఎవర్ దే క్రియేట్ ఎనీ మెటీరియల్, దే విల్ క్రియేట్ ప్రాపర్లీ. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్లో స్పేస్ ఉండేదానివల్ల ఇష్యూ వస్తుంది. సో దానికి ఒక ఆప్షన్ ఉంటుంది ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్లో. విల్ సీ బై టుమారో దట్ యాజ్ వెల్ హౌ టు ఫిక్స్ ఇట్. సో ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ లెవెల్లో, సో మనం ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ గురించి చెప్పుకునేటప్పుడు అన్నీ చెప్తే నీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. సో ఈ ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్లో ఎక్కడ చేస్తామంటే రైట్ క్లిక్ and you can go here and you can do it. So ఇక్కడ rules, we'll select the filter, we'll select the material, right click, show rule, show rule, show rule, and let me, it is displaying in below show rule. We need to select formula. We need to select formula. Incompatible formula is missing. Okay, fine. Okay, then fine. Edit this formula, and you can look for formulas. And then I'm looking for non-date functions. I'm not looking for mathematical functions, other functions. So there is option like no SAP given, replace with the hash values. What is this basic function? You can see many functions they given. Date functions. If you want to convert, add day to day, cal month, fiscal period, and if you want to get the difference, date differences, you can use these existed functions. Okay, we'll see how to use it. Okay, these are all it is converting date functions. Okay, our requirement is like no mathematical functions as well. You can see sine theta, cos theta. Okay, mathematical functions, log, sine. Okay, you can see square and exponential and fractions. See, you can see. tan theta, mod, transial, you can see. Other functions you can see get source system ID, log, initial, you can see negative. Okay, we'll see if statement. If you want to use if statement, you can use it if statement as well. Functions for the other settings, alpha, so BW on HANA and older BW vision, we have it, but not like this many. Concatenating string. If you want to concatenate two informatics, you can concatenate. Okay, like this. Condense. What is this condense? Condense no gaps. Here you can see condense no gap. So we need to use this one. Functions for characteristic strings. In between strings, if you have any spaces, it will remove it. So we can, I think we need to use this option or this option. Okay, for a material. So left means what is this? Left trim, left side, it will count this. L trim, left side spaces will delete. Right side, I mean, L trim, okay, delete leading spaces. Now replace all. I want to use this option. Okay, I want to use this option. Replace all, and you can use our material. What is this option? We'll see. Okay, this way, where is syntax? Still having some issue. I'll check. Okay, I'll check and I will use. So we have to use replace all. So we will not face that issue. Okay. Think this is not correct. We'll see. Again, go to replace all. Replace all. Okay. One old character, new character, character string. What is the length of our info object? 18, right? Okay, old character. Okay. Okay, this will see, okay, how to use this option. But I'm sure, okay, we need to use this option, okay? I'll tell you by tomorrow how to use this option. So we will not face that option. Okay, we will not face that issue. We'll see. Tomorrow we'll load material attributes and text as well, both. Okay, we loaded, we are facing some issue, and how to do it, we will do it, okay, by tomorrow. We can write a web code, we can write this formula, and you can put the filter as well. Then we will load it. How we will see by tomorrow, we'll see, okay? Okay?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, okay. Thank you all.
Thank you.